and we're trying to get after it before I've got sweat dripping down parts of my body I'd rather not talk about. What we're doing right now is I've found enough courage and motivation in me to start cutting down some more trees for the new shop site. Permits have been approved for the new location. I've already marked the area in which I want to build the shop, and so today we're basically gonna just, I mean, we might be able to cut all the trees down. There aren't too many trees. In fact, we have to cut less trees because I am using the existing driveway to be part of the driveway of the shop. It's taken me a while to get to the point where I've been willing to cut trees down again, because, you know, when you cut trees down, it's very permanent. You know, you cut a tree down, she gone. Timber, you know what I'm saying? That's what we have in store for the day, and I'm just bringing you along because I have no idea what's about to happen. Sharp turn. Whoa! All right. So you can see the driveway ends right here, and if the shop starts right here, then I don't have to clear much land for cars and, you know, to access the garage doors. That's the old clearing through there. So long story short, the reason why the original site was behind the house way back there is because I was originally told that it had to be, the setback of the new building, the new garage structure, had to be behind the house in reference to the road. So road, house, garage, essentially. Come to find out that is totally false, and I only have to be 75 feet from the road, which is a nice buffer. We can leave a lot of nice trees, still have a lot of privacy. People aren't gonna see a shop, even though it's gonna be really good looking, but people don't have to stare at a shop as they drive down. So I get that, those setbacks make sense. Yeah, so ultimately I think this is gonna be a lot better of a site. So yeah, let's take a look at how many trees we gotta cut down. So this is the nearest corner. Driveway here, beautiful tractor there. 60 feet that way, 30 feet this way. These two little guys, that shouldn't be an issue, they're pretty small. That tree, this is the biggest tree I have to remove. It's like it's a twin tree. I most likely will not remove this tree just because it looks a little complicated. That tree, yep, those little guys, this one, this one, this one. So, you know, that's another fairly big one, but you can see the bark. I'm no arborist, but I'm pretty sure that tree, yeah, you can tell. See, the bark is pretty punky. Again, correct me if I'm wrong, but that looks like a tree that's ultimately not the world's healthiest. But, you know, I'm probably just telling myself that so I feel better about it. That's the next tree. I'm holding it flat so you can see the angle. That's perfect for a semi-professional amateur. You know, I mean, the only way you can screw this up is if I pin it on a tree, which if I cut it and land it right in there, I should be fine. I only do things that I'm extremely comfortable doing, and that's not totally true, but be very careful. Cutting trees down is no joke. This way. Perfect. Whoops, that's a big one. This thing just clamps onto the bucket, so it's not permanent, but it also doesn't always stay on. Go where the tree wants to go. That's how I roll. Fall, fall, fall. Yeah. Now the weight is off of it, so I can cut these pretty easily. Ready?
That was cool.
I'm saving all these logs for lumber, so they're not going to go to waste. And you know, maybe this curvy piece and some of the other stuff we're gonna use for firewood, so it will not go to waste. We burn wood in the winter, so that'll be great. Anyhow, that's gonna be something one day. It gives me a reason to buy a sawmill. $30 feet that way, 60 feet that way. I still got to take out this tree. Garage doors are going to be on this side, so most likely I got to take these ones out. I guess I always hesitate when I take down a tree because I love trees. But other than that, I think we're pretty much good on the back end. There you can see the line here, so 60 feet's going to run that way. I'm most likely going to take that tree down. And then I think I can pretty much leave everything else. Everything looks pretty healthy. I think I'm gonna pay to have this one removed because it's, you know, it's a twin. I'm not surgical or medical, and I don't know how to split twins, especially. It looks like they've been twins since birth, so we're gonna go ahead and leave that for the pros, I think, because yeah, they're both pretty big. It's raining here pretty good now, so I think we're gonna wrap up, but that's basically what I've been doing. So that to cut all this probably took about 4-5 hours. So yeah, pretty much cleaned everything up with the tractor, the old Massey Ferguson. That tractor is awesome. I'll tell you more about it at a later date. You can ask me any questions that you might want to know about it, and I can answer them in a future video. But I've been using that tractor to do a ton of work at my own house and a bunch here. And now, when I can develop the next project, don't worry, I'm not gonna start it quite yet. We gotta wrap up at least one project before we start 2 more. That's how I roll. But the tractor is going to come in super handy for the next cabin build. It's small, but it's mighty. The loader can handle like 900 pounds, and then the backhoe is rated at pounds of force. So I think the dipper stick is like over 2,000 pounds, and the other arm is like close to 3,000. I don't know. For the size of the tractor and what I spent on it, it cost me 24 grand, and I got, you know, interest-free payments for like 60 months. I've never, other than my mortgage, I've never borrowed money towards something like that, so it seemed like a good deal. I like it. Makes me feel like a real boy. I don't know if this is gonna be a video, but if it is, and I'm about to end it, I love you all. Thanks for watching. This is what I've been doing. Hope you guys enjoyed. Little by little, we're scratching off that to-do list. This is not a honey-do list. This is my honey-do list of things that I have taken on And yeah, we're getting after it little by little. Hope you guys are well. Be sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.